You work for 35 years and earn money. Then you retire and live for the next 30 years without active income. So you can't afford any mistakes in planning retirement because you will not get a chance to bring back these 35 years and earn money again. But you will be surprised to know that there are enough and more mistakes people actually make. That is why we have divided this conversation in a two-part video, and this is the first one. Further, the bonus section is all about how you can purchase an ATM for retirement. Make sure to watch this video all the way till the end because I will be going over the mistakes which may make your retirement uncomfortable. Do pay close attention so you can avoid these from now on. So let's dive into this serious but very essential conversation. Hi folks, I am your host Jitendra Shrivastav. This channel, Expats and NRI-Smart Investor, is part of our mission to ensure basic financial awareness to every individual at no cost. Since last 2 decades, we have been designing strategies for our clients to live quality life with dignity. We are based at Dubai, UAE, and help expats and NRIs across the globe in their journey for wealth creation with chartered financial planning. Now, one by one, let's get into the mistakes which people make during retirement planning. Number 1, there is no written plan in place. Most of the time, the retirement plan is in air and not on paper. This will give a false satisfaction to you that you are thinking about retirement and doing something for it. But you know deep inside that it will never take you to the important destination with enough money you need when retired. Remember, building a retirement fund is a lifetime journey. Number 2, real inflation is not considered. Inflation is also called the termite for your money. It actually eats down the power of purchasing. For example, if you can buy something with $1,000 now and you wait for the next 20 years, that time it will cost you $2,700 with 5% inflation. And if inflation is 8%, then this will cost you whooping $4,600. Therefore, if you are going to retire in the next 10 to 30 years time, then plan it by taking real inflation in account. Also, you need to include the inflation impact during retirement for those 30 golden years as well. Number 3, large portion of portfolio invested in fixed deposits or FDs. This is a classic mistake. Many people invest most of their money in fixed deposits or guaranteed products without proper planning. FD is a very good financial vehicle for short-term investment with necessary and defined purpose. But keeping most of your retirement amount in FDs will actually degrow your money. Yes, the real returns in FD deposits may be negative when you take inflation and taxation in account. For more details with calculations of the returns, you may refer to our recent post on LinkedIn. The link is given in the description. There are more than 2,000 views of this LinkedIn post, which in a way confirms the concern people have with investing into fixed deposits. Number 4, health insurance is not taken early in the country of retirement. This is a very common mistake people make. By the time you turn 35 or 40, it is advisable to take medical insurance in your native country if you would retire there, because post-retirement, if you have health issues, then this insurance may not be available for you or may be too expensive. Remember, during the retirement, healthcare could be the biggest expense. Number 5, miscalculation of retirement amount and age. These two numbers are the base of retirement planning. There are various ways to calculate it, but the comprehensive process is reliable. You may know how much money will be required per month at retirement from the year 1 to the year 30, including safety margin. One must revisit the retirement plan every year along with financial expert to make minor adjustments in this amount and age, which will further avoid last moment surprises. Number 6, not having wealth protection measures. It is said that one of the wisest financial decisions is to take enough life insurance and critical insurance cover when you are young and have no disease. So in case of untimely death, disability, critical illness, your family can financially survive till and post the retirement. It is important that one must understand the difference between term insurance and whole life insurance. The whole life insurance premium is paid for a limited period of time like 10 to 15 years and cover is available till whole life. This can protect you financially in case of death or critical illness, and when you are retired, this plan can also provide you income. Number 7. Not taking paid advice from an independent financial planner. Retirement planning is a long financial journey and you surely need an expert guide to seamlessly achieving this goal. Here I would like to state a disclaimer that we are also independent financial advisors and performing detailed financial and retirement planning for the last 19 years. It is known fact that taking paid advice from doctor or lawyer or an independent financial advisor has always benefited their clients in terms of gaining peace of mind and saving money. Therefore, one should not plan retirement based on what others did, as everyone's situation is different. Number 8. Planned only about money and not health. This mistake is not directly about finance but health. So at least from 40 years of age, you must take utmost care of your health by taking precautions on what you are eating, your lifestyle and exercise routine. Actually, this will help you financially as well post-retirement, besides giving a healthy body to enjoy those golden days. It is important that you take retirement planning and investing very seriously and make it among your top 3 financial priorities at an early age. Your efforts in this direction will decide whether your quality of life is better post-retirement or not. Before we get into the bonus, we would love to hear from you. Have you ever made any of these mistakes and how are the things going now? Do leave a comment below. Now since you stayed with us till the end, here is your bonus point, that is about how to buy an ATM for retirement. One of the favorite destinations for most of us is an ATM booth, as money is coming in the bank account every week or month. Now imagine, post-retirement, will there be enough money coming in the ATM every month? Yes, only if you are committed to invest from an early age as a smart investor. You need to start purchasing a retirement ATM from the first day of your first job by investing a small amount every month. Thanks to the power of compounding, this amount will double or triple or more to give monthly cash flow from age 60 till age 85 if you are retiring at 60. You don't need big amount to start investing for retirement. Just begin with $100 or $200 per month. You may watch our video on monthly savings to get more ideas. So purchase that ATM of your retirement. It is available very cheap at this age. Remember, every dollar is important to make your golden years really golden. You may contact us to know various ways to generate passive income. As discussed, we assist our clients with detailed financial plans for retirement. For an appointment, our WhatsApp number and email is shown here on the screen and also mentioned in the description box. Now in our segment, last but not the least, here is a simple financial quote for you. In a world where everyone can be rich, staying poor is a choice and your own decision. If you like this video, then give a thumbs up to our creative team. Also share the video link with friends or anyone who might be benefited and be part of the initiative of financial awareness to everyone at no cost. To get new videos regularly, subscribe and press the bell icon. Soon we will be coming with the second part of this video and much more. Please don't be hesitant to comment and share your feedback even if you are not a financial expert. In fact, this channel is primarily for non-financial individuals. So let us know your views. Also share your choice of topics for future videos in the comment box. Thank you for your time. Take care of yourself. Stay healthy and wealthy as a smart investor. See you soon.